So this commenter also experienced narcissistic abuse from her partner. Let's read. Things might change once he realizes you've consulted a lawyer and taken legal steps, but those changes are often temporary. Hi, I'm Attorney Joan, and did you know na ang narcissism ay isang ground para maanal ang iyong kasal sa iyong asawa? Kwento ko lang sa inyo, I know of this one case where the husband is a narcissist tapos yung wife super abused na to the point na physically abused siya, binubugbog siya, mentally and emotionally abused siya, meaning talagang minamaliit siya bilang person, as a mother, as a sister, as a wife, pati na rin na emotionally checked out yung husband sa kanya. And after years of abuse, she finally filed a case against him. Here's what happened. The abuse stopped. Hindi na siya binubugbog, medyo may peace na sa kanilang marriage, nakakahinga na si wife ng kaunti, at nag-decide lang sila na ipa-check up yung husband for any personality disorders or something like that. So, case closed. And then after a few months, yun na ulit. Back to old ways, back to old habits, back to old abuse. You see, ang mga narcissists, they will only pretend to change just so they can keep controlling you by making you stay and believing na magiging okay kayo. Dahil ang ayaw sa lahat ng isang narcissist ay iiwan siya. So he will do anything to prevent you from leaving. At kung ibig sabihin nun, kailangan niya muna magmaskara at magbait-baitan for a time just to make you stay, gagawin nila yon. Crazy, di ba? But that's narcissism for you, kaya siya ginawang ground for annulment para sa mga may kasal, at meron tayong violence against women and children law kung inaabuso ka mentally, emotionally, physically, at even pang-financial. So get the help of your lawyer and get out of that bad situation.